We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We have been full-time RVing since December of 2017. We travel with our Volvo truck, 2 Can-Am Spyders, our DRV, and a smart car. We have multiple camping memberships, but try to stay in Thousand Trails and Encore resorts when possible. This time we stayed at Verde Valley in Cottonwood, Arizona. It is about 2 hours north of Phoenix, 1/2 hour from Sedona, and 2.5 hours from the Grand Canyon. We drove through the Tonto National Forest rather than I-17, and it was beautiful. Here's some pics of the drive. Any associated videos I have linked below. Coming up to the Border Patrol. Cars go down one set of lanes, trucks go down the other set of lanes. We are near Deming. Where are we near? We're in New Mexico. About 30 miles from Deming, I believe. We just got waved through. Didn't even ask us any questions. This is Thousand Trails Road leading into the park. It's rather long. It looks like there's boondocking out here too. So I think that's the storage one, so we got to be getting close to the gate.
I'd say
There's
so.
the gate. He's just said stay to your right when you come in. We'll go up the little shack, get our paperwork. If they see it, they generally let you in. But you can pull over to the right-hand side when you come in to register. It even says so right there, far right lane. Really nice people.
Yep.
It's a long park and it has like four sections, I think it is. And you got quite a bit of driving to do to get to the section we're in. We're in section A all the way at the end. They're doing a lot of dirt moving out here, getting ready to put some cabins in and maybe some sites, I'm not sure. But you have quite the view to get to your spot. That's the first section down there. We'll check that out later. Got a river that runs through here, but it's dry right now, crossing over the bridge.
Oh, there is a river back there.
Yeah, there is. We'll have to go back there, check it out. This is section C. Section B.
They got hiking trails, and I think they got
Yeah, they got hiking
four-wheel
trails.
drive trails, big four-wheeler trails.
Oh, do they?
I think so.
The pool and the hot tub is back here. This is the section that's all the way at the end, which is A, which is where we are. Here we got Leroy parked in a tent site real close to us. We are in a double pull-through. So we're real close to somebody, but our doors don't face each other. I'm back again. headed into Jerome, which you can see up on the mountain here. The first Saturday of each month they have some like arts and food kind of thing going on. You got a bunch of little shops and restaurants in the downtown area. Here we are downtown. Not nearly as crowded as it was right before Christmas.
Yeah.
Hot sauces and salsas. Artist gallery. I love corner buildings. I think they're cool. This is Jerome's famous sliding jail, 1905. I still got a bed down there in the jail.